In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix OneNote app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your Microsoft OneNote app, maybe the app is not opening, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. In the first method, we need to access OneNote app info page. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Now to troubleshoot it, go to settings on your phone, and from your phone, look for this option called apps. Under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for OneNote like that, and now if you tap on it, you can see we have our app here. First, go to for stop app and OK, and again go to clear data, clear cache and OK, and finally clear all data. Once you are done, restart your smartphone, and now if you go and open your OneNote app, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still face a challenge at this point, then proceed and look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store. Because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store app here, search for OneNote app and check if we have any update your app to the latest version. But even after updating, should your app still keep on crashing, for that you'll need to uninstall your Microsoft OneNote app and install it afresh to clear any bugs that might be causing this issue. Now at this point, everything should be up and running without any issue. However, if you still experience any challenge at this point, check and then see if you have any VPN or any recently installed security app on your phone and install it to fix this issue. So let me know which of this was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.